Chapter 34 Grocery Shopping. The old man wants to celebrate alms food giving ceremony. He goes grocery shopping. He takes a cart. He goes to the fruit counter. He picks out the fruit, such as oranges and bananas. He puts them into the cart. He selects the vegetables, such as cucumbers, onions, and garlics. He puts them into the cart. He puts some potatoes on the scales to weigh. When he gets the right weight, he puts them into the cart. He goes to another counter to buy eggs. He chooses the choicest eggs. Now the cart is full. He thinks that it's enough. He goes to the cash counter. He joins the queue. A few minutes later, his turn comes. He goes to the counter. He asks, "How much is it?" Firstly, the girl empties the cart. She calculates them one by one. She charges the old man. The old man gives her some money. Then the girl begs the groceries. Finally, the old man says goodbye and comes back home.